My friends of Travel TV channel, I'm so happy to be with you again on another edition of the program Cuisines. And today I am down beach Limbe. I know you have been seeing me from the start of the program catching some fun, walking down the beach and all that, but I know that we don't go away from the focus of our program, which is to have something to eat, and today we'll be eating roasted crayfish. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to just show you around some different variety of fish that you can get from down beach Limbe, and then we'll go have some sticks of roasted crayfish. See you. So tell us, why do you add spices to the crayfish?
We add it so that the thing should get very tasty. Yes, so that the thing should get taste and good.
We are just from down beach, where we know that people, the fishermen go there, they bring all the fresh crayfish. Is that where you buy, and how do you process it before you start putting it on the fire?
We buy from there when they brought it like that from the boat. Then we come, we wash, then we put on the sticks. We chook it from the sticks, then before putting on the fire.
Do you add salt, Maggi?
Nothing, we just use this spice because the thing already have salt and Maggi by itself.
Okay, is it ready? Can I have a taste? Very nice.
Thank you.
you want to enjoy very sweet crayfish, it's down beach Limbe,
Yes.
where you can have it. And she's not very far from the sea, so you just take some few meters and you'll be here to enjoy this much. It's bye-bye for your program Cuisine on Travel TV channel. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment, and follow us on all our social media pages. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's yummy.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share and click on the bell icon to get notification on our latest updates.
Thank you.